Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Maps JavaScript API and the Static Maps API in the Google Cloud Console. Once done, create or pick a project and attach a billing account so requests are authorized. Next, generate an API key and immediately add restrictions, HTTP refers for browsers or IPs for servers, to reduce abuse. Make sure to copy the key to your clipboard and store it securely. You will paste this into your app configuration in the next step. Now integrate the key into your code. Add the Maps JavaScript script tag with your API key and requested libraries in the HTML header. Then, initialize a map object with latitude, longitude, zoom level, and map type ID so you control the initial view. Once the map renders, attach event listeners for clicks or drag events and call places or geocoding services to resolve addresses or place details. If you need markers or custom overlays, create them after the map loads to keep performance smooth. Finish by hardening and monitoring. Enable quota tracking, set usage alerts, and apply server-side limits or per-key throttling. Once done, test from your production domain. If maps fail to load, check the browser console for API error codes, confirm billing is active, and verify that your referrer restrictions match the request origin. If problems persist, run sample fetches to the geocoding or static endpoints and use Maps platform diagnostics to isolate misconfigurations. This often reveals forgotten restrictions or key mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.